This is Harmony Liu for Ask Congress TV. Today, at the UN Hotel, a press conference took place for the 17 girls competing in the UN Miss Asia pageant competition. Each of the 17 girls stand for the 17 SDG UN goals. Here's the report.
The Harmony Liu Global Initiative. World Harmony Youth Committee led by Harmony Liu prepares global youth appeal to solve Fukushima wastewater problem. The Harmony Liu Global Initiative is the first of its kind from a youth committee. The World Harmony Foundation Youth Committee calls for a paradigm shift to implement the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and to implement the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. More particularly, Goals 13, take urgent action to combat climate change, and Goal 14, conserve and sustainably use the oceans and seas, are two of the SDGs that need urgent and concerted action. Thus, the World Harmony Youth Initiative calls for harmonious and peaceful use of marine resources to protect the oceans not only from nuclear contamination, but from the impacts of the climate crisis. The Harmony Liu Global Initiative to solve nuclear contamination of the ocean caused by the Fukushima plant. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and its 17 Sustainable Development Goals create the roadmap for human and planetary survival in the 21st century. The nuclear disaster at Fukushima, Japan, is one of the most pressing environmental challenges today, since there are problems of disposing of the radioactive water that is used to cool the reactor. There are two parts of the UN system that can use an alliance of youth problem solvers to make sure the water is not released into the ocean. The International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, is the part of the UN system that deals with all issues involving the peaceful use of atomic energy. The International Hydrology Organization, IHO, of UNESCO deals with water issues. In the event that oceans are contaminated with radioactive water from Fukushima, there will be an environmental catastrophe, which will affect humans and nature. The radioactivity will pervade the ocean and the food chain, and eventually contaminate drinking water in coastal communities. It is highly recommended that a global non-stop hackathon, involving youth all over the world, can help to find a solution to this potential crisis. We cannot wait for the first woman to be elected Secretary General in order to solve the problem that will make life in the ocean impossible, as humanity stands by as its drinking water is contaminated. There is no planet B or C. We must continue to live on Earth. If youth create a world of peaceful and harmonious societies, we may be able, through science, to solve the problem of radioactive Fukushima water. Life on land will be impossible if life in the ocean is full of radioactivity. Our food supply, and many jobs relying on fishing as well, will start to disappear. In China, there is a great deal of food from the ocean. No one will not be able to eat it. The World Harmony Youth Initiative seeks to link all SDGs relating to drinking water, climate change in the ocean through Harmony Liu's Youth Partnership for a harmonious, unifying and peaceful one human family. Harmony Liu, the Secretary General of WHF Youth Leadership Committee, say this world has been suffering because of COVID-19 and global warming. This planet can't afford to another suffering from ocean pollution again. We must action and stop it. Protect Mother Earth and harmony between human being and nature is everyone's responsibility.